Today, we are going to replace the iPhone 14 Pro battery, and be sure to follow the exciting battery replacement steps. We started a 30-day challenge, and today is the first day of our challenge. In the 30-day challenge, we will repair an iPhone every day, and today it is the turn of the 14 Pro battery. The iPhone 14 Pro came with a shutdown problem, and we are going to fix it step by step. After removing the screws from the bottom of the phone, we proceed to heat the phone to open it, which is done with a separator device.